friends! Today I'm here with my main channel cameraman Petrit and his car, because I'm going to try and fix his car. And I think I can fix it and you'll be happy.
Yes, I will just watch because it's my day off,
yeah.
So I won't be filming.
I'm the cameraman, while fixing the car for my cameraman. Let's go! Now, for those of you that haven't seen the other videos on this car on this MK2 channel, Petrit bought this car 3 months ago already, and it always had a little problem, and that's why it was super cheap and we thought we could easily fix it, but we still haven't fixed it yet. Because this car is a B-fuel, so it runs on both gasoline and LPG, but it runs fine on gasoline and also on LPG, but sometimes it stalls. So, up until now, I've replaced the gas distributor, and that didn't fix the problem. So, today I'm going to fix the stepper motor. I'm going to change it, and I think that will fix the problem. But yeah, we'll see. We got another one, so let's try it out. So, for those of you that haven't seen B-fuel parts, just like me when I first looked at this car, this is the gas distributor, and this is the old one, because I've already replaced that. And this is the new stepper motor that goes on top of the distributor, and you'll see where it's installed onto the car, but you can't really see it now because it's all the way under there, so we gotta dig it out a bit and then we can replace it. Okay, so the stepper motor is located all the way under this manifold, and I'm not going to remove the manifold, but to reach the stepper motor I'm going to remove the fan and all of the connecting parts, so that's mostly wires and everything, so that's what I'm going to disconnect. Yes. Okay, so I disconnected these wires that were on top of the fan, and now I gotta remove these hoses and undo those 2 bolts. I can't reach the other one, but it's on the other side. Okay, so fan is now loose, but in order for me to pull it out, I'm going to remove my dipstick before I break it here. Here you go. And then I'm going to loosen that little bolt so I can pull this hose over here, and then I have enough room to pull the fan out. Okay, with the fan out of the way, we can now see the distributor and the stepper motor. I don't think you can see the stepper motor, but it's up there and it's fastened with 2 nuts. I can show you on the other one. It has this little bracket and then there's 2 nuts. I'm going to undo these ones because they're easier to reach. And then I can remove the stepper motor and everything. I'm not going to fully remove it from the car because I don't want to disconnect the hoses, but I'm going to just pull it a bit forward so I can reach the stepper motor easier. There it is. As you can hopefully see, it's a bit easier to reach this way. But I'm not sure if you can see it from that side.
I'm trying that.
Come at this side. Look.
Yeah.
There's just 2 screws holding this in place.
Focusing.
Wow, you're a great cameraman. Am I stressing you out?
Yes.
With my camera?
Yes. Doesn't want to focus. Wait, let me just do this. Yeah, there it is.
There, and on the other side, there's another screw that I'm going to undo, but you can't see anything because I'm working so deep in the engine bay, so I don't think I got anything on camera, but I'm trying to show you the process, because also there's no videos about B-fuel V70s on the internet, so I'm trying to explain something, because I've been looking for an explanation video for the problem of this car stalling and I couldn't find anything, so hopefully this is useful for someone, yeah. How's your day off?
It's good. I can finally film with another setup. You probably would see in the edit that I'm not really good with this.
Well, you're trying.
I'm trying.
I'm not good at it either.
So this is how it feels like to film like Joy.
No, it should be more shaky if I film it.
Alright, so as you can see, it's raining outside, so it's pretty cozy.
Film that ugly car.
Which one? This? The red one? Look at that. You probably know what car this is.
Can you guess? Guess what car it is. Guess
One
who's
hint?
driving that car today? Unfortunately, me.
Oh, wait. She's talking about this one. Yeah.
Oh, dropped the ring. But there's the old stepper motor.
Wow.
Great. Okay, I reinstalled the stepper motor that you can't see because it's dark. But I think I deserve a coffee break. But in the meantime, I was wondering what you still want to do to this car. I don't think you'll keep it stock.
No, but I will keep it kind of original. Definitely one thing I want to do is to clean these headlights.
Yeah, they're
make them,
super
like, clear.
foggy.
Yeah. Yeah, and we have a Volvo S60 front grille laying around, so then we remove this old, and this Volvo logo is like completely, only this part is blue, but then we just replace this and we put a S60 grille, so then I have a really unique car.
Yeah, it looks like mine then, because I got a S60 grille too. I think that's pretty.
That's really pretty. It's better than this.
Yeah.
At least that's what I think.
I think so too. And the headlights will do it really well too, because it's super foggy. The other one isn't as bad, I think. Is it? I don't know. We can fix that.
But then when we will fix it, like together, you have like in one day you have a complete different look at the front. And actually, what I also want to do is, I don't know if you can see it on camera, this part.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. I would like to make this red again. But it has all of these parts, it has all over it, also there in the door and on top.
Yeah.
But it's like really expensive to do. And maybe lower the car a bit, because
I think you should lower it.
I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but the back of the car is like really high.
It's a monster truck.
But I want to keep the comfort.
Yeah.
I hope you know something that we can make it lower, but also comfortable. So that's not like a...
I think we can do that. It's a Volvo, so it will be comfortable.
But I'm happy with the rims and all, so I think...
That's nice.
I think that will be it.
Yeah, we haven't even shown that on the channel, I think, the new rims, have we?
I don't know.
They do look good. They used to be on, wait, let me change this, yes. They used to be on Pascal's V70, but he has other rims, so he sold them to Petrit, and I think they look very good.
I'm happy. I haven't seen them yet, but...
Yeah, but they look good.
Yeah,
that's better.
Really nice.
So a lot of plans for this car. So if you want to see that on this channel too, then let us know, so we can maybe do it. Why are you so tall?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's better. Well, everything's installed back onto your car.
I hope. going to work.
Yeah, probably not.
With cars, you never know.
Yeah, and with our luck,
Yeah,
definitely
also.
not. But it looks good again.
Yeah. Shall we
So,
start?
yeah, but it will run on gasoline first.
Yeah. I will let you know when it switches over.
Yeah. Well, unfortunately, as expected, the car's still stalling, so I didn't fix it. But we will continue troubleshooting. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though the car still isn't fixed. And please stay tuned for more updates. And if you have any tips or ideas what might be the problem, please let me know in the comments. For now, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!